Welcome to Vijayalakshmi's class. This is Vijayalakshmi taking sentence pattern. For whichever class you want, you can just see to this. Now let's see the first sentence. She came. Here, she is given. What is she? She is the person who is doing the work. So first let us part into two and she becomes the subject. Okay, and then what she is doing? She came. So it tells about the work which she is doing. So it is we. So it is yes, we. Got it? So we should write yes, we. And then the second sentence. She came yesterday. Here, who is doing the work? She. So again, let us put yes. And then who is doing the work? She is doing, but she is doing some work. The work done by her came. So that work should be denoted as we. Okay, that is action word. And then when did she come? She came yesterday. It tells about the time. Time, place, all these things are called as adjunct. Okay, so let us give A for this. So the sentence patterns for this is yes, we, A. Got it? And then third sentence. She met me. Here, who is doing the work? She is doing the work. So she comes under noun. So that is yes. Okay. And what she did? She met. So it is a verb. It's an action. So let us give we. And then what did she do? She met me. It is also a noun, but it is in the second place. So it becomes object. Okay. So we should write yes, we, O. Got it? And then go to the fourth sentence. She is my friend. Now see, who is doing the work? She is doing the work. Yes. Any verb is there in the sentence? No. Only tense is there. So tense should be taken as verb. Okay. And then my friend. For my you can't give anything separately. My friend will come in a total manner. So friend is a person who accompanies you. So it becomes a complement. Friend is a complement. Friend, enemy, sister, brother, mother, everyone, teacher, whatever it is, father, all are complement. So this is yes, we, and see. Now the next sentence. She gave her friend a pen. Okay. Who gave? She gave. So she becomes subject. And what she did? She gave. It becomes verb. Whom did she do? Her friend. Her we can't take it separately. Okay. So her friend. So her friend becomes complement or object. Let us wait. After friend, what is given? A pen. So name of a thing is told in a direct manner. So this becomes as direct object. Okay. Whenever direct object comes, you should put indirect object nearby. IO, DO or DOIO. It will always get followed. So friend becomes an indirect object. Same here, we wrote friend as complement. But here, we are writing friend as indirect object. Because after friend, a word is there which is giving the direct meaning of an object. So this is direct object. Whenever DO comes, IO should also be there nearby. So yes, we, I, O, D, O. Got it? And then I went to market. Who went to market? I. So yes. Then what did I do? I went. We. Where did I go? I went to market. To is a preposition. We can't give P and all. Okay. So I went to market. Market is a place. So what should we give? We should give A. Got it? So I went to market becomes yes, we, A. Got it? And then he is a doctor. Who is a doctor? He is a doctor. So he becomes yes. And then any tense is there or verb is there in the sentence? Only tense. So tense becomes the verb. Okay. And then what is he? He is a doctor, a profession. Whenever a profession comes, we should give C. He is a doctor. So yes, we see. Got it? And then the next sentence. He lives in Mumbai. What is he? He is subject, the person who is doing the work. Okay. And what is he doing in Mumbai? He lives in Mumbai. So we. Where? Mumbai. Mumbai is a place. So it should get A. So it is yes, we, A. Now remember, these prepositions, articles, and what is it? Common noun, all these are are shadows. It will always come nearby the adjacent word. It will not have separate bifurcation. Got it? And then he is angry. Who is angry? He is angry, the person doing the work. So it is subject. And here there is no verb, so tense should be taken as verb. And then what is he doing? He is angry. It is not a work, it is a mood. So we should give compliment for this also. It is an inner feeling. For this also we should give compliment. So the answer is yes, we see. And at last, I attended the meeting. Who attended? I attended. So yes. And then what I did? I attended. We. And here the is an article. I told you it should come along with the adjacent word. Now meeting. What will you give for this? C or A? Meeting is a place or a compliment. What it is? Object. What it is? What will you give? Just think, children. Shall I tell you? Meeting is a compliment. You can ask me, ma'am, you just told us that only the inner feelings or professions or relatives or any nouns will be compliment, and you're telling meeting is a compliment. Yes, because the relationship between the subject and complement will be there. I attended the meeting. I am also a part of the meeting, isn't it? So when there is some connection between me and the meeting, that word is called as complement. Now did you get it, children? So it is yes, we see. Got it, children? And that's all for today's class. Thank you, and let us meet in the next class.